Hello and welcome to another virtual open house presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. Well, we are back on Condado. We are back in a 3-bed ground floor apartment, and as you can see, the summer is back as well. We had a lovely day today with 22 degrees in the sunshine, fantastic blue sky all day long, and I'm just showing you the community garden so you can see a little bit of what's the feeling on Condado at the very moment. So yes, it's gone a little bit quiet, no doubt about, but we still enjoy a fantastic weather at the moment. We're a little bit chilly during the night, no doubt about. We're going down to maybe 12, 13 degrees at the moment. But actually, apart from that, it goes up to 20, 22, today even 23 degrees. And I'm just turning around and I'm showing you the terrace of this 3-bed ground floor apartment, which is located in Garden 8 here on Condado de Alhama Resort. As I said, it's about 5 o'clock p.m. here, Central European time. It's 4 p.m. in the UK and on the Canaries. And I'm showing you today reference 3608 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com, on another virtual open house presented to you as well by qualityhomescostacalida.com. I'm Rupert, I'm the broker of the company, and I have the joy today to show you this 3-bed, 1-bathroom apartment on the ground floor. As we said, reference 3608 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. Today we have kind of novelty to say, because you find me here alone today, because Anna is on holiday. So I have to stem the show today alone. I mean, it's not a big issue, but anyway, I hope she enjoys her holidays and she will soon be back in about nearly 2 weeks' time. So, well, you can imagine. So, we are standing here now on the main terrace of this apartment, which is number J817. And as you can see already on the terrace, we do have quite some additions made to this property. Most prominent, obviously, the awning, which is covering here all the terrace up to here, more or less. As you can see, they have as well got rid of the grass here and have put tiles on the entire garden, which is quite useful because you also can place sun lounges and barbecues and whatever. As well, they have added here the Understair Cupboard. Just let me show you how this works, because this is quite a big cupboard space. Well, to put in all this stuff which is just here. I mean, maybe you don't need it all year round. It's beach stuff, and even bicycles fit in here. So that's quite a handy thing, and I think it's a useful investment into the property. As well, they have added 2 additional blinds. One blind here at the main gate, at the main sliding door, and there is another blind, here's the blind, there we go, and there is another blind which covers here the main entrance, and that's quite a funny thing because this goes up, and at the end of the day it's fully covered, so you can also store furniture behind that, and you can lock it, so that's quite a useful thing as well. Just let me open it again, because otherwise it's a little bit darkish in there, but so, happy days. Okay, we come into the living room now of this 3-bed, 1-bathroom apartment offered to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com on our virtual open house. Hi Paul, how are you? Oh God, wet and windy in Ireland. Well, no, it's not windy today here. The other way around. It was quite a quiet day wind-wise. And as I said, 23 degrees we had. So I'm showing you now the living room of this beautiful 3-bed, 1-bathroom apartment. The property is sold as seen, and it's quite nicely furnished, to say, fully equipped with a television, obviously, and all other necessary furniture items. So just let me show you quickly the kitchen, which is as well fitted with dishwasher, obviously, fridge, freezer, oven cooker, extractor fan, microwave, and all the other mod cons. What's not here is, as you can see, there is no water filter. Oh God. As you know, property bought through Quality Homes Costa Calida will receive free of charge a water filter and the first filter installed in the property, which saves lots of money, plastic bottles, And also it saves to carry the stuff from the supermarket to your house. So Quality Homes Costa Calida is putting this in all newly purchased properties free of charge. The filters last about a year and the drinking water is really fantastic. The quality is really great. I mean, anyway, the water here is pretty good, so it's safe even without filter, but it sometimes has a certain chlorine taste, mainly due to the fact that the water is coming normally from some 100 kilometers away, so this needs to be chemically treated, and therefore, yeah, we put in the water filters, we get rid of the taste, and you have fantastic drinking water also for tea and coffee machines and all that. It's really great. Okay. Having said that, we still see the living room of this 3-bed, 1-bathroom apartment, reference 3608, on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. And just let me continue to the master bedroom. The property is sold as seen fully furnished. And I'm just showing you now the master bedroom. To say all bedrooms are fitted with wardrobes, as we can see here. As well, we have in here another air conditioning unit. And as we can see, fully furnished. And also we can walk through here to the back terrace. This property, well, all properties in this row have a slightly larger back terrace as normal, and they have also lifted the back wall to provide a little bit more of privacy. Back here we do see the air conditioned units for living room and for bedroom. And as well, we do see here the washing machine. That's quite handy out there, because you can just put your laundry out here for drying. There is no need to get a dryer here. From our personal experience, we also bought a wash dryer some 20 odd years ago. I think it's Miele brand, but we hardly never use it because it's just drying out there in the sun. So it's not really necessary to get a dryer here. Obviously, you need a washing machine, no doubt about it. So, back terrace, pretty nice, pretty big. And we are facing here the inner ring road. So this is the connecting road, which connects all the gardens then to the Alcazar, to the golf course and all that. There's not heavy traffic here, as you can see. I just need to mention that. Okay, we see here the master bedroom. Another feature would be the mosquito netting. As you can see here, there's a sliding mosquito net, kind of a sliding door, which is quite useful. I mean, we don't get here a lot of mosquitoes. Sometimes there are some, but we also get sometimes the odd fly. So it really helps when you have this mosquito netting on. And I'm just talking me through the second bedroom. As we can see here, this is a bunk bed with a double bed at the bottom and a single bed on top. So this room would sleep 3. As well, air conditioning, as we can see. And as well, fitted wardrobe. Sorry, there's the door in the way. So the entire width of the room is also the fitted wardrobe. Quite a big one. Okay, now let's see the bathroom. Ba-ba! Where's the light? Here is the light. There we go. The bathroom. As you can see, the owners have changed the bathtub to a walk-in shower, which is quite handy. They have added here some storage, which is also pretty useful, and I have also changed the hand wash basin and the loo, so it's an entirely reformed bathroom. They just left the floor also to match then the floor in the apartment, which is quite a good idea to say. But they have changed obviously here the tiling of the shower to a mosaic, which looks quite nice, and obviously walk-in shower is an asset and makes a difference to the, not to say odd bathtub, but obviously it makes a difference. And it was still missing one bedroom. There we go. This would be the third bedroom, again with a bunk bed, so we have 2 singles, and as well we have air conditioning in here, as we can see, and again fitted wardrobes. So yeah, fully fitted, fully air conditioned, so all rooms, here's the one in the living room, all rooms have air conditioning hot and cold, all bedrooms have fitted wardrobes. So I think this is quite a nice apartment. Reference 3608 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. And just let me show you the last sunlight we're getting here, because I reckon in about 3-4 minutes the sun will be gone. So I'll show you again just the last glance of today of the community garden of Garden 8 here in the sun. And as you can see, this, well, and here we go with the moon. The moon is out. Where is it? I do see the moon, but I can't see it here on the screen. Strange. It must be here somewhere. Here we go. So the moon is out as well. I hope you can see that. Okay, this doesn't really work. Well then, this was to try to show you the moon. Apart from that, as we said, the last sunshine we're enjoying here now. So we're here on the terrace of this 3-bed, 1-bathroom apartment, reference 3608. Price, did I tell you the price already? No, it's 85,000 euros, which I think is, for what we have seen with all the extras, with the awnings, with the understair cupboard, with the air conditioning, with the walk-in shower. There are quite some assets here to say, and I think we do see the investment also of the owners. They really took care of the property and made it to their home. And I think it's a very good basis to go from. Orientation-wise, we are really south-facing with a slight western aspect, but I would say is rather mainly south. The community pool is just here in front, would say about 30 meters about. Yes, this would be the distance to the pool, so you don't get all the noise from the pool, but you're still very close. We are on Garden 8, so this means we have close to Garden 8, we have the Condado Club with a bar, restaurant, tennis, paddle courts, football pitch, and well, they're doing quite some activities there as well during the summer, so it's worthwhile also visiting the Condado Club. Regarding the Alcazar, the commercial center where you find the supermarket and all that, that's about 10 minutes, 15 minutes walking distance, maybe 3 minutes by bike or maybe 3 minutes by car. But still, with the Condado Club, you're well covered. You will get your cup of tea or your coffee in the morning. You will get your English breakfast over there. You even get fantastic fish and chips on Fridays. So it's also worthwhile, and not so Condado Club as well might be a good option here, no doubt about. Otherwise, as I said, the Alcazar, which is our commercial center where you find the supermarket, restaurants and bars, hairdresser, bakery, furniture shop, estate agents, quality almost costa calidad, haha. So yes, but still, I would say 3 minutes drive and you're there. Yeah, walking distance, maybe 15 minutes. So it's not that bad. And the sun, as I said, is now nearly disappearing. So we have the last sunshine now, and I hope you can grab it with the camera because it's nearly gone now. So as you can see, it's now comes the shade, and I have to say and confess as well, now it will become colder and colder. So during the night, it's going down to actually 12, 13 degrees at the moment. So just let me show you again a quick glance on this 3-bed, 1-bathroom apartment here on Garden 8. Whereas we have here a living room, which is equipped with obviously TV set. We see here a dining table, sofas, all decoration comes included in the property as seen. We have the kitchen with a large fridge freezer. We have a dishwasher. We do have oven cup extractor fan, obviously a microwave, and all kind of cutlery as well, no doubt about. No, so this is all fully equipped and ready to move. It smells very nice in here, I have to say, and it's all very well kept and clean, which is not always the case to say, but we are always, oops, this was a broken in the mirror, sorry, I didn't expect that, where are you coming from? Okay, you know, they're putting sometimes mirrors there just to confuse me. There we go, we are in the master bedroom now of this 3-bed, 1-bathroom apartment, reference 3608 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. All bedrooms are fitted with wardrobes and with air conditioning. And also from the master bedroom, there is another sliding door with a mosquito netting as well, leading to the back terrace. Back terrace is housing the washing machine, the air conditioning units, and this can be as well a nice terrace when you're looking for the shade, maybe in summer. That's exactly the spot, because this is quite a shady space. As we are south facing in the front, we are rather north facing on the back, means there's hardly any sun. So that's maybe positive for those ones who sometimes want to escape the sun. That's the place to be. Coming back to the master bedroom, just have a walk through here. We avoid the mirror to the left. And we come already to the second bedroom, which is actually for 3 people, as we have a bunk bed with a double bed underneath and a single on top, as well air conditioning and as well fitted wardrobes. As we said, the bathroom is fitted with a walk-in shower, and they also have changed loo and hand wash basin and mirror, and also changed the tiling here on the wall. So this really looks pretty professionally done. I think it was not the yellow triangle, maybe another company, and well, sorry, this was an inside joke. Those people who know Condado know what I'm talking about. And we are coming to the third bedroom now. As well, a bunk bed with 2 singles, as well air conditioning. Shall I say again as well? Yes, as well fitted wardrobe. Okay, there we go. Living room as is. We have seen also these 2 awnings. This was the second one, which is covering the entrance, as we said. And we are back out here on the main terrace. And I think we are also already, well, it's time, yeah. We are back on the main terrace, and we're also back here to say thank you very much for attending our show today. We have been today in Garden 8 on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. I have shown you today a 3-bed, 1-bathroom apartment, reference 3608, on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. In the same garden, we are also offering first-floor apartments with 2 bedrooms. One is just over there, straight on. Where is it? Somewhere. Why you? Here, over there it is, here it is. And another one is just above me, over there somewhere as well, the 812. Okay, so this one is 3608, that's the reference, asking price 85,000 euros. And well, I'm looking forward to your emails now, to your requests. To show you this apartment, maybe in live or through a virtual viewing, just contact us on info@qualityhomescostacalida.com or give us a bell on 0034 868 619 319. Happy days here from Condado de Alhama Golf Resort, and I'm looking forward to see you, or you see me, and all that, next week again, same time, same station, 5 p.m. CET, 4 p.m. in the Canaries and the UK. In the meantime, stay safe, God bless, cheers, bye.